A perspective is how a particular situation is viewed and understood by an individual. It is based on a mix of personal and collective assumptions, values, and beliefs. Perspectives also influence people's choices and actions. Perspectives are personal and can be different for everyone. Personal perspectives give rise to a wide range of different positions on environmental and social issues. For example, someone who values nature might see a forest as a critical resource to protect, while someone focused on economic development might view it as an opportunity for industry. These different perspectives influence how people make decisions and take actions. What you value and believe affects your choices, whether it's advocating for conservation or supporting new development. In IB Environmental Systems and Societies, exploring these perspectives helps us understand why people make certain choices and how we can find balanced solutions to environmental challenges. By appreciating different perspectives, we can work together to make informed, sustainable decisions for our planet. Perspectives are informed and justified by socio-cultural norms, scientific understandings, laws, religion, economic conditions, local and global events, and lived experience, among other factors. Sociocultural norms, or social rules about how people are expected to act, influence our viewpoints. For instance, a community with strong conservation values may prioritize environmental protection over development. Scientific understandings provide evidence that shapes our perspectives, while laws and religious beliefs set boundaries on what is considered acceptable or ethical. Economic conditions also play a role, as financial constraints or opportunities can drive different viewpoints. Local and global events can shift perspectives dramatically. For example, a recent natural disaster might heighten awareness and concern about environmental policies. Once a perspective is formed, arguments are made to support or counter it. Each side of an argument draws on different aspects, scientific data, economic benefits, cultural values, and more to justify their view. Exploring these perspectives and their justifications helps us understand the complexity of environmental issues and the variety of arguments that can be made. Values are qualities or principles that people feel have worth and importance in life. Values affect people's priorities, judgments, perspectives, and choices. For example, if someone values sustainability, they might prioritize eco-friendly products and practices. These values drive their actions and decisions, reflecting what they believe is important. Values are often individual, but they're also shaped by and shared with others in a community. Our values influenced by family, culture, education, and social interactions. Exploring these values can help us understand why people might have different views on environmental issues. By recognizing and respecting diverse values, we can work together more effectively to address environmental challenges and find solutions that consider multiple perspectives. The values that underpin our perspectives can be seen in our communication and actions with the wider community. This course emphasizes how our perspectives on all environmental issues, such as sustainability, conservation, and ethics, are deeply rooted in the values we hold. These values influence our actions, from how we treat nature to how we engage with our communities. They guide our decisions, large and small. But values don't just shape what we do, they shape how we communicate. When we express our ideas and beliefs, those values come through in the words we choose, the arguments we make, and the solutions we propose. The values held by organizations can be seen through advertisements, media, policies, and actions. For instance, brands that value sustainability may emphasize eco-friendly practices in their ads, while others may focus on innovation, quality, or inclusivity. Actions speak louder than words, and organizations are often judged by whether their actions align with the values they promote. Different values often lead to tensions between individuals and between organizations. For instance, one person may prioritize profit and efficiency, while another may emphasize sustainability and ethical practices. These contrasting values can lead to disagreements in decision-making or approaches to work. A company focused on maximizing profits might conflict with a nonprofit organization advocating for environmental preservation, leading to differing approaches on issues like resource use, regulations, or business practices. These value clashes can lead to public disputes, policy conflicts, or market competition. In both cases, differing values lead to debates about what is considered important or ethical, making it challenging to find common ground. Value surveys can be used in order to determine the value of a resource to a given community or social group, or their values that affect a particular environmental issue. The effective design of a survey is critical. For a survey to be effective, it must capture a range of perspectives within the social group. This means designing questions that reflect diverse viewpoints and values. One common method is the willingness to pay for recreation survey. This asks people how much they are willing to spend to preserve or enhance recreational areas. Another approach involves rating special places. Participants evaluate various natural or cultural sites based on their significance to them, helping to prioritize areas for conservation. A third method is attaching a monetary value to a resource. This could involve estimating the financial worth of a resource, such as a forest or a river, to understand its economic significance to the community. By incorporating various perspectives, researchers can get a comprehensive view of how different segments of the community value resources, leading to more informed decision-making. Value surveys not only reveal how much a community values a resource, but also guide us in making decisions that reflect the collective priorities and needs. We each have a view of the world that is formed through our experiences in life, our background, culture, education, and the society in which we live. This is our worldview. Our worldview, values, and perspectives all shape our environmental value system. An environmental value system is a model that shows the inputs affecting our perspectives, values, and worldview, and the outputs of our environmental value system, which are the actions and choices we make as individuals. Understanding the environmental value system of an individual or society can help us understand and explain why societies make different choices.